Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
This is Chomi, and
We are going to school in a foggy day.
in a foggy day, we'll show you how foggy it is. Look
Over there.
over there. Oh, it's so foggy, foggy, foggy around. Oh, we can't see.
We can
Right.
see it a bit.
Now we're gonna cross the road.
Look to the left and look to the right.
Look to the left and look to the right.
Hi.
Alright. Oh, look.
Wow, it's so foggy
It's
in
so
the
foggy in the
playground.
playground. Look,
Wow.
that's Daddy and Michu.
No, you're not.
No.
Hi. It's so foggy today.
What do you think you're going to do today in school?
I think I'm gonna do math, which I
What?
don't like.
Why you don't like math?
It's hard.
It's not hard. You're good at it na, di ba? You said you're good at Titi Rockstar already.
Yeah.
Mm.
And also, mommy, I'm a rock star now.
You're already a
In
rock
stu-
star.
In
Wow.
studio.
Wow.
It's under 2 seconds.
Oh, under 2 seconds.
Or
So
like,
you're-
like 3
under
seconds.
3 seconds. That's good.
Yay.
Hey,
I'm fast.
you're fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should continue practicing to
Yeah.
your Titi Rockstar.
Yeah. I was practicing at home. Then I saw that I did under 3 seconds.
You did it under 3 seconds.
Yeah.
That's good.
We are going to in our school now.
Let's show them. That is the
It's
school.
pretty foggy, so you might not see.
Hi, Ro. What do you usually say?
Picture, maganda, maganda. We're going in the gate.
Yeah, but we cannot take a video of other kids, diba? Yeah.
Why can't we do it? Why can't we?
It's
What?
their privacy.
Okay.
We need to respect their privacy. We need to ask permission if they want to be in the video.
Mami, niliwan ko na lang sila dito.
Ah, talaga? Should we leave you here now?
No.
Look at Egypt. Sila. She's in school now. Thank you. Sir.
I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi, I'm back from school. We're gonna go home now.
Let's go. Tanggalin mo yung jacket mo, mainit.
Okay. Let's go.
Oo, dali mo itong baunan ko sa iyo.
Let's go, guys. Time to go home.
How's school?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
What did you do today?
I did math. Guided reading. English. Reading. Break and lunch.
Did you finish your baon, Bye?
What?
Did you finish your baon?
No.
Ah, bakit hindi mo finish yung baon mo?
Because I was full.
You're full.
Hi. Hi guys, we're back and now we are in the car. I will show you. We are in the car. these are this is what the houses look like.
Ano pa naman yan? Ito si...
It's pretty bumpy, alright? Handle it. It's pretty sunny today. Yeah. We are. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. The sunroof open.
I want to put my
I'll show you. It's pretty nice. Let's look outside again. It's pretty windy. It's sunny and windy because we are driving in a car. Wait. Let's look. Our car is pretty messy, so I don't want you to see it. We are almost there. Let's see. Oops, run. Let's go. Let's roll up my window. We're at our street. Let's go. Ah! Come on. Let's go. The White House over there, that's ours. We have 3 floors. Well,
just a room up on the very top.
well, that's our room, so that's 3 floors.
No, there's not.
Yeah, it is. Haha. Mom, should I pause it now?
Si Mama Mami, bumili na ako.
Bye bye. See you next time.